Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Grand Sabon Handcrafted Soap. Today we will make carrot soap and we will be using melt and pour soap base. We will not be dealing with lye solution or sodium hydroxide. All we have to do is melt this soap base and then we will add our additives, which is our carrots. We will be needing vegetable glycerin. We will add this to make it more moisturizing ang ating soap. And of course, I would like to add vitamin E. This is vitamin E oil, 100% pure and natural premium grade vitamin E. So we will be needing a heat resistant bowl or like this one, Pyrex. Gagamit din tayo guys ng spatula to mix the solution. And this is our soap mold and the cutter. Kung wala kayong ganito guys, pwede na yung knife. Okay, so the first thing we do ay babalatan natin at i-grate ang ating carrots. This is our preparation in making our carrot soup. Gamit ang ating peeler. So, babalatan natin ang ating carrots. So, pwede rin kayong gumamit guys ng avocado, lemon, aloe vera. So, yung mga paborito ninyong beauty soap, papaya especially, napakahusay ng carrots sa ating pagpapaganda ng ating balat. A lot of the benefits of carrots are it improves our skin. Nagbibigay ng glow sa ating skin ang vitamin E na makukuha natin sa carrots. So, i-grate natin siya. And carrots also prevents wrinkles. And it reduces acne and scars. It is good for dry skin. So, kung ikaw ay may dry skin, kaya nga recommended na kumain tayo ng carrots kasi nga tumutulong ito na magkaroon tayo ng magandang balat, glowing, healthy skin. And carrots can also protect our skin from UV rays. Ayan. So, i-grate natin siya. Kukunin natin yung juice ng carrots. So, ito na yung ating grated carrots. So, lalagyan natin siya guys ng 2 to 3 tablespoons of distilled water or purified water. So, naglagay na ako ng dalawa kanina. So, ito na lang isa. Okay. Ayan guys. So, imamasa natin ng ganito para makuha natin ng juice. And then, lalagyan natin ng 3 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. So again, mapipili natin ang vegetable glycerin online. I-google lang natin or sa Amazon if you want. Pwede tayong bumili sa Amazon. Ayan. So 3 tablespoons. Ayan. So haluin natin ito hanggang mag-juicy kasi kukunin natin yung juice. Ayan, nag-juice na siya. ganda nitong carrots sa ating balat. So, pwede kayong gumamit ng avocado, pwede kayong gumamit ng lemon, pwede ring papaya, kalamansi. Ganito yung paraan. Kailangan lang makuha natin yung juice ng bawat gulay or fruits na ating gagamitin sabon bilang additives. Ayan, gamit ang ating strainer, i-strain natin ang carrots. Kunin natin yung juice. So now we will cut our melt and pour soup base. Kunin po itong isa. Ito lang ating gagamitin. So that will be reserved for some other time. So ito guys, mabibili natin ito sa online. You can buy this sa brambleberry.com. So ikakat natin siya ng medyo maliliit para madaling i-melt. Ayan. Nice. So ito ay sabon na siya. Pero lalagyan natin siya ng additives, which is carrots. So this is, as I have said, this is kids friendly and pets friendly. So kahit ang iyong mga anak ay nasa tabi mo habang gumagawa ka nitong sabon, melt and pour. So even the kids are around, you can make this soap. Kasi you will not be dealing with lye or sodium hydroxide. So we will weigh our soap base. So we'll see. Tignan ko yung 250 grams. 29. Gaano karami ito? Ayan, 250 na siya. Okay, try natin siya 250 and then later balikan natin ito. Okay, this will be melted gaya nito. Ayan. Lalagay ko to sa stove at pakulaan hanggang sa ma-melt ang ating melt and pour soap. Ayan, malapit na siyang completely melted. So, haluin lang natin ng haluin hanggang sa mag-melt ang ating melt and pour. So, ganyan lang po kasimple guys ang ating pag-melt. Parang double boiler. Pakulo ka lang ng tubig dito sa ating pan. Lagay lang natin ang ating heat resistant container or bowl. And then, ayan. Nagmi-melt na siya. Ayan guys, fully melted na siya. Lalagyan na natin guys ang 1 tablespoon of ating carrot juice. So, 2 tablespoon. And then mix this together. And then lalagyan ko siya ng lavender essential oil para may amoy ang ating sabon. A few drops. Just 1 drop probably. Say this is 100%. Okay. Ang bango. And then lalagyan ko din siya ng 1 drop ng vitamin E. Oops. 3 drops. Nasobrahan. But it's okay. And then, habang mainit-init siya, lalagay na natin sa ating mold. Okay. kailangan walang bubbles. Tanggalin natin yung bubbles. Gusto ko maglagay ng lavender buds. So, dito sa isa naman, lagyan natin ng lavender. Dahil ang ating scent ay lavender, so maglalagay tayo ng lavender flowers. Dito sa isa naman. Ayan. So, we'll set this aside hanggang sa okay, after a few hours, ito ay magsisettle. Dito naman sa isa, lagyan natin ng gusto kong lagyan ng chamomile flowers. Meron pa tayong sobra. Lagyan tayo ng chamomile flowers. Ayan ang ating chamomile flowers. So, nakagawa tayo ng, sa ating papaya soap, mayroon tayong chamomile and lavender, flowers, and just the plain papaya soap. After one day or after overnight, we will unmold our soap. This is it. So far, 3 bar lang itong nagawa ko. After 24 hours, actually kahit 10 hours pwede nang i-unmold, pero hinintay ko na almost 24 hours. So let's unmold our soap. Oops! Ow! Ow! Wow! So beautiful! Look at that! This is melt and pour soap base. So this is very, very nice for gifting. Yan. You will not be dealing with lye solution or sodium hydroxide. So you can make a soap na gusto ninyo. Makagawa kayo ng mga any additives, like you can use also oatmeal, you can use honey, you can use like coffee grounds, a lot. Calamansi, yan, napakaganda. Ala. Okay, next, tignan natin itong chamomile. Ayan. Yung chamomile dried flowers, nandito lang siya sa ibabaw. Ayaw niyang pumunta sa ilalim. Ayan! Very clear. Ayan naman siya sa ibabaw. Okay, very nice. Matutuwa ang bibigyan ninyo nito ng if gawin yung gift. Look, transparent. Ang ganda naman. Parang gusto kong gumawa ng maraming melt and pour. Pang-gift. Yan. Comment lang kayo guys kung ano yung mga gusto nyong gawin. At let's see if those are possibles. Ayan. Pink Himalayan salt. Maganda rin. Look, this is lavender. Parang bees. Cute, diba? Ayan, oh. Transparent. This is lavender. This is chamomile. Ang ganda, diba?